the stuff, but
Whenever you're ready.
all right, are you filming already? Okay. It's hard to point out just like one single thing because I resonate with everything that Indie Birth shares, more or less. Like probably like, yeah, I would say everything. But it was really powerful to see different birth videos, the home birth videos that are undisturbed, for the lack of the better word, and also a birth video that by most people would be probably considered like a really natural birth. That was a birth home video, but for those, I would say, that are more familiar with truly undisturbed way, seeing all the hands and all the all the involvement of other people seemed like disturbance, which is not to criticize that. Maybe maybe that's what they needed at that point, but it just shows a perspective of how many different births can be called natural and mean totally different things. Yeah, so that's it.
Cool.